Hey there, data enthusiast. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful free tools every website owner should be using, and that is none other than Google Analytics. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why Google Analytics collects your website data, what all those numbers actually mean, and most importantly, how to use this information to grow your business. So grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Google Analytics is like having extra vision for your website. It's a completely free tool from Google that shows you exactly who is visiting your site, what they're doing there, and how they found you in the first place. Right now, over 50 million websites worldwide use Google Analytics, and there is why. Because it's the real-time data tracking, audience demographics, traffic resources, and conversation traffics. Imagine you own a physical store. Google Analytics would tell you how many customers walk in each day, which displays they spend the most time at, what brings them to your store, and even which products they look at but don't buy. That's exactly what Google Analytics does for your website. The magic starts with a simple piece of JavaScript code that adds to every page of your website. Every time someone visits your site, this tracking code sends information to Google servers where it gets processed and organized. But here is where it gets really cool. Google Analytics tracks way more than just page views. It can record how fast users scroll down your pages, what buttons they click, video views and completions, file downloads, and even purchases you have an online store. Now, data processing in Google Analytics. It collects data is sent to Google servers via the tracking code. Filters and rules are applied, such as excluding internal traffic. Storage is stored in Google's secure servers. Processed data is displayed in dashboards and reports. Now, let's break down the most important metrics you will see in your reports. Users, the total number of visitors to your site. Sessions, individual visits. One user can have multiple sessions. Bounce rate, the percentage who leave without interacting. Average session duration, how long people stay on average. I know what you are thinking. That's great. How do I actually use this information? Let me show you. For example, you notice your bounce rate is 80% on mobile, but only 40% on desktop. This tells you your mobile experience needs work. Or, on the other hand, I can say if you see most conversions come from Facebook, but you are spending most of your advertisement budget on Google Ads, you might want to reallocate those funds. The best part, you can set up custom alerts to notify you when important changes happen, like a sudden traffic drop or a spike or in conversion. Let's look at the most important reports in Google Analytics. Audience report. Who are your visitors? Acquisition report. How did they find you? Behavior report. What content do they engage with? Conversion report. Are they completing goals? Benefits of using Google Analytics. Data-driven decision. It can optimize marketing strategies. User insights. Understand audience behavior. ROI measurement. Track advertisement performance and conversion. Customs reports. It can tailor reports to business needs. Free and scalable, suitable for small to large all kind of businesses. To keep in mind that all things has its bad sides. So there is also limitations of using Google Analytics. It can have sampling issues. There is a free version limits for data accuracy, privacy concerns, or you can say there is a cookie restriction, no user identification. So track sessions are not individuals. Learning curve. It requires training for advanced kind of features. Recently launched GA4, the new versions of analytics. Here is how it's different. Universal Analytics, session-based tracking. GA4 is event-based tracking, better for apps plus privacy. GA4 has AI-powered insights and cross-platform tracking. If you are still using Universal Analytics, switch to GA4 now. It's the future. To get the most out of Google Analytics, follow these best practices. Set up goals like newsletter, sign-ups, purchases. Use UTM parameters to track campaigns. Filters out internal traffic like your team's visits. Check real-time reports after launching ads. There is a pro tip for every Google Analytics future user. Schedule a monthly analytics review to spot trends and adjust your strategies. So, alright data warriors, now you know how Google Analytics collects and organizes all that juicy website data. But remember, data is only powerful if you actually use it. Here is your homework. Install GA if you haven't already. Set up at least one goal. Explore your audience's reports. Now, data is powerful. Understand exactly how users interact with your website. It can optimize and grow, fix weak spots, double down on what works. It's a free and powerful, no need for expensive tools to get into the inside. Let me know in the comments what's one surprising thing you have discovered in your analytics. And don't forget to grab our free analytics cheat sheet like in the link is in the below description. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more data driving content and I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy analyzing.